Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how to send a farm file from one mobile device to another. To begin, you will need to open the app on a device already containing the farm you wish to transfer. The farm file will be displayed on the home page. Note the unique farm ID displayed above your map. Now, go to the phone you wish to copy the file over to and open the Grasshopper Measure to Manage app. Then click the Download Farm tile. If you already have another farm file on the device, you will see a Change/Add Farm tile here instead. Enter the unique ID, then press Download. The farm file will now successfully download to your device. Before you finish, make sure to remove any unwanted farm files from your device. Click the Change/Add Farm tile and a list of all the current farm files on your phone or device will appear. Simply long press on the farm you wish to remove and an option to delete will now appear. For more information regarding the Grasshopper, our app and grassland tools, check out the videos in your suggestions.